Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable time to leave option and what it does in the calendar on iPhone. Today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings, then you want to swipe down and tap on calendar. Once you are here, you want to go to default alert times, and here you can find the feature called time to leave. So as you can see, now I do have this feature on. So what it does when available, calendar uses your location, so your current location where you are, the locations of upcoming events if you have them set, and the traffic conditions if it's available in your city where you are right now, and transit options, so the car, the buses, the trains and everything, to tell you how long it will take to arrive at your destination, so your next event. That is just written in your calendar, so you can leave on time. So it is a useful feature because, for example, you can be at home and, for example, you have a meeting 10 miles away or something like that, and you're going to get a notification that it's time to leave in 10 minutes if you want to be on time on that event using the car. For example, you're going to get a notification something like that if you have this feature on. So now it's off, now it's on. Just tap on a button and it is going to change. So I'm going to leave it on because it works for me, so it's up to you. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!